Hello, myself is Shubhodeep and today I am going to tell you about the Superstore little dashboard that I have created and generate some few important yet interesting insights. So here is my dashboard which consists of total 5 uh, charts and 3 slicers. The region part I have made it as a legend and we will be generating according to the region part. Okay, so the first graph actually shows you the four types of delivery options that are actually offered given by superstore retail market, and we see here that the standard class is actually the most popular among the consumers. We can click on this to check each and every uh, delivery option as per the region separately, like central part, eastern, southern, and western. Now we have the consumer, corporate and home office in my right side. So this is the customer segments. Half of them are actually consumers and rest of them are corporate and home office. Most of them are from western regions in all the three segments. Then we have the subcategory. Subcategory actually shows that how many sales are actually happening throughout the subcategory productions or supply. As we see art, this is appliances. Next we have fasteners and envelopes and labels. So these few subcategory items have a big dip, which shows that they are least popular among the customers in all the four regions. And if we want to check it region wise, here we go: central region, eastern region, southern region, and western region. Now, if we see, the phone is very much popular among the western part of the country, and here also the chairs. So we select west, then we select the furniture. We see chairs, furnishing is least bought. In office supplies, we see the western region has storage, and there is a big debate fasteners and art. Technology, we see phones is very much popular in the western region. So that was this, and now we have the states. So for state, we there is another chart, and this chart actually shows you that each state wise that how many sales have occurred. So we see New York and California as leading part. I click on California, and what we see is that the phone is something that the customers are much buying, and we have chairs as well. So these are some products which are actually very much popular among the customers. And in California, we see standard class is the most opted delivery options. In California, we see consumers are much more higher than, followed by corporate and home office being the least. So that's it, and here is the profit chart, and this profit chart actually shows you that how much profit earned per region. And what we see here is that the western has the highest profit, followed by the eastern, and I think, yeah, the central region has the least profit. So that's it for the dashboard, and hope you like it. And if you want anything to improve, then you can tell me so that I can provide a further better insight the next time. Thank you.